Hi scholars, so in this video we are going to be dealing with a very interesting aspect of mathematics, and that is integration. So we are going to be focusing on indefinite integrals. So we have the definite integrals, we also have for indefinite integrals. So let's say, for example, let's say I have the integral of a raised power x with respect to x, then I have a raised power x with respect to x. So in this case, I have here to be 2 and I have here to be 1. So this is indefinite integral, whereas for this, it is a definite integral. Why? Because for the indefinite integral, it has no limit, whereas for the definite, it has limit. So this is the lower limit and here's the upper limit. So whenever you see something like this now, just know that it's a question on definite integrals, whereas this is what? Indefinite. So for indefinite integral, so because it has no unit, so at the end of your answer, you are going to be adding c, which is a constant, or you can have it to what? To be k. So at the end of your answer, you are to include what? The constant c or what? Or k. So please, let's try to answer this question. So the first one, we are to find the integral of 3x squared with respect to x. For integration, basically it is just opposite of differentiation. So whenever you want to integrate, let's say we have a raised to power x with respect to x. So if I want to integrate this, the first thing we have to do is repeat this value here, that is a raised to power x. They are going to add 1 to the power. So if I add 1 to this, then it's going to be divided by this total power, the index, which is x plus 1. Is that taken? All right. So for this now will give us what? That will give us 3x squared plus 1. Then divided by, so the power here is what? That is 2 plus 1. So this will give us 3x raised to power what? 3 divided by 2 plus 1 is what? That is 3. So in this case, 3 will cancel what? We cancel 3. So I'm going to have x cubed, then plus c. So this is the answer. Is that taken? All right. So the next one we have, so like we did earlier, pick this now. This is going to give us 6x, then 2 plus 1 divided by, what do we have here as the power? That is 2 plus 1, then minus, this is what? This is 2x. So for this 2x now, note that the index here is 1. It's invisible, it is 1. So we are going to have 1 plus 1, then divided by 1 plus 1. So what's the next thing? We have 6x, 2 plus 1 is what? That is 3, divided by what? 2 plus 1 is also what? Also 3, minus what? 2x, 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by 1 plus 1 is what? That is 2. So what's the next thing? 3 here 1, 3 here is what? Is 2. 2 here we cancel 2. So what do we have left? We have 2x cubed. So that's 2x cubed plus what? Plus x squared, then with the constant. Do you understand it now? All right. So the next one, we have to integrate 2x cubed plus 2x divided by x with respect to x. So what do we do here? The first thing we have to do here is to make sure that we have this denominator both for 2x cubed and also for what? For 2x. This is what I mean. Let's say we have 5 plus 3 now over 2. What this means is 5 over 2 plus what? 3 over 2. Do you get? So that's what we want to do here now. So we have this to be what? 2x cubed divided by x plus what? 2x divided by what? X with respect to x. Are you getting me? All right. So for me now, applying the law of indices, One x will cancel one of these x. So it's going to turn to what? X squared. So we have this what to be 2x squared. Then plus x will cancel what? X. So we are left with what? With 2 respect to x. So now let's integrate. So what is the integral for this? That's 2x squared. We are going to have 2x, right? Add 1 to this. That's 2 plus 1. Then divided by what? 2 plus 1. All right. Plus. So whenever you have a constant value like this now, so integral for this is going to give us 2x. That will give us 2x. Are you getting me now? Let's say we are integrating with respect to u. This one gives us 2u. All right. So this now will be 2x. 2 plus 1 is what? That is 3. Divided by 2 plus 1 is what? That is 3. Then plus what? Plus 2x. So what's the next thing? We can just have this now to be what? To be 2 over 3x cubed plus 2x, then plus c. This is the answer. I believe you are getting it. All right. I want to believe this video has been helping so far. Please do well to click on the subscribe button in case you haven't. Thank you very much. So for the fourth one, we have to integrate 1 over x plus cos x with respect to x. So how do we get this done? It's very simple. First thing is, let this x here, let it come up. So this is going to give us x raised to the power what? Minus 1. Remember law of indices now. If I have x raised to the power negative 2, this negative means what? It means 1 over, and I made this negative index. It means 1 over. So what do you have left? X squared. So if you want to take this x, take it up, so I'm going to have x raised to the power negative 2. So that's what we did here. All right. Then plus what? Plus cos x with respect to what? To x. So let's integrate. So for this x, we are going to have x raised to the power negative 1, right? We are going to do what? Add 1, then over what? Negative 1 plus 1, then plus. So what is the integral of cos x? That is sine x. Do you get it? All right. So what's the next thing here? We have x. So this is what? Minus 1 plus 1. And minus 1 plus 1 is what? That is 0. So 0. Here to now minus 1 plus 1 is what? That is 0. And we have plus sine x. X is by 0 is what? It is 1. And 1 divided by 0 is what? That is 0. So this is cancelled. So what we have left is what? It is sine x. Then plus what? Plus the constant. Do you get it? All right, so let's move to the next set of questions. So the question here it says, integrate 2x into bracket 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 with respect to x. This is a very simple question, so just follow me. So we are to integrate 2x into bracket 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 with respect to what? To x. So what's the first thing we have to do here? Just try as much as possible to open the bracket. So 2x multiplied by 2x squared. 2x multiplied by 2x squared. That gives us what? That gives us 4x cubed. That is 2 times 2 is what? It is 4. Then x times x squared is what? That is x cubed. So we have 4x cubed. Then minus 2x times 3x is what? That is 6x squared. Then plus 2x multiplied by 4. That will give us 8x. Then with respect to what? X. So now let's integrate. So for this now, that will give us 4x 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Then divided by what? 3 plus 1. Then minus. This will give us what? 6x. Then add 1, which is 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Then plus what? 8x. Do not forget that the index here is what? It is 1. That's 1 plus 1 divided by what? 1 plus 1. Are we getting it? All right, so this will give us 4x. 3 plus 1, that will give us 4. Then divide by what? 4 minus 6x. 2 plus 1 is what? That is 3 divided by 3 plus 8x. 1 plus 1 is what? That is 2 divided by 2. So what's the next thing? 4, we cancel 4. So we are left with x raised to power 4 minus 3 here 1, 3 is what? That is 2. So we have 2x cubed. Then plus 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 4. That's plus what? 4x squared. Then add the constant. So this is the answer. Do you understand? So the next question here, it says, integrate tan square x with respect to x. So we have to integrate tan square x with respect to x. So for us to get this done, remember now that from trigonometry ratio, that 1 plus tan square x is going to give us sec square x. So now I need tan square x. So tan square x now will give us sec square x. If this one comes here, that's what? Negative 1. So anywhere I say tan square x, just put what? Sec square x minus 1. So this will give us sec square x minus 1, then with respect to x. Is that taken? So now let's integrate. So what is the integral of sec square x? That is tan x. So this is what? This is tan x. Then for this negative 1, that will give us what? Because this one is a constant. Are you getting that? So just add x. So that will give us what? 1x. So it doesn't make sense me having 1x. Just put x. That's what? Negative x. Then plus c. This is the answer. So it is very, very simple. Do you understand? All right, so the next one here, we are to integrate x plus cos x with respect to x. So doing this one after the other. For this x here, what is the integral for x? This will give us x. Note that the power is 1, so that will give us 1 plus 1, then divided by what? 1 plus 1, then plus. What is the integral of cos x? That is sine x. So sine x. So we have x, and 1 plus 1 is what? That is 2. Then divide by 2 plus sine x. Then add constant. So this is the answer. Do we get? So for the last one, we have that integrate exponential x minus sec x and x with respect to x. See, this is very simple. So whenever you have exponents now, so if I have exponential x and I want to get the integral for this, so it's going to give us what? Exponential x. Do you understand? All right. So what is the integral for this? That is exponential x. Then minus, what is the integral of sec x tan x? The integral is what? It is sec x. That is what? That is sec x. Then plus c. So this is the answer. I believe you actually understood every question that have been answered in this video. Alright, so please do well to like, to share, comment, and please, in case you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye.